Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have a stainless steel pocket knife ready. Keep it pointed away from you and others. Grip the handle firmly in your dominant hand, with thumb on the spine and fingers away from the closing path. Using your other hand, hold the blade near the tang but not on the edge. This gives control. Once done, begin a slow, controlled rotation toward the handle, watching the pivot and any locking mechanism. Make sure to clear fabric and fingers as the blade passes. If your knife has a liner lock or frame lock, press it aside with your thumb while keeping the blade guided with your other hand. For a back lock, depress the lock bar at the spine before folding. You will feel it release. If the mechanism is stiff, apply steady pressure and move slowly. Do not force. Once the lock disengages, continue folding until the blade seats fully into the handle. Make sure the tip aligns with the bolster to prevent catching. Once closed, test the knife by gently attempting to open it with the tip seated. It should not move. If it opens slightly, reopen and inspect the lock, pivot, and any debris. Clean with compressed air and a drop of light oil at the pivot. Retighten pivot if adjustable, but leave slight play to avoid binding. If the lock still fails, stop using the knife and consult a qualified sharpener or repair service. Safety note: always store closed and away from children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.